Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're here with Earthlove subscription box. I have unboxed and reviewed this before on my channel. This is a really beautiful box if you are into eco-friendly, sustainable, all those sorts of things. This is definitely something you're going to want to check out. It is a seasonal box, so you get it once a quarter. It is, if you subscribe to the seasonal box, it's $59.95. You can also, though, get an annual subscription, and then the boxes are $54.95. There's 6 to 8 themed items in here. This is the summer box. The theme is the sea calls, which I think is really cool, very fitting. It's beautiful. I know a couple of the spoilers. I actually remember the spoiler, and because I was really excited for it. I like this box. This is one that I'm very nice. I enjoy it. So let's get in there. So it says here, all good things are wild and free. That's a Thoreau quote. The back here, natural products, cruelty-free, 100% organic, recyclable, and fair trade. So those are all things that you're gonna find in these boxes. So here's our first glimpse. I'm gonna put it right here. Actually, no, I'm not. All right. All right, so 2019 summer box, the sea calls to me. That's what it is. Saving coral reefs on page 4. So connect with the sea, page 8, and make sea salt spray, page 10. So this is kind of like a magazine, kind of like, I'm sure it's going to tell you about the products that are in here. So we're not going to peek too much. There is this card here, tells us what's in this box. Gonna try not to look, but there is a quote here from Talisha Haradat. There is something about the ocean that never fails to amaze me, the way she never fails to kiss the shores even though she is sent away, the way her waves can be both calm and terrifying, and the way she never fails to soothe my soul. Very cool. We will take a look at the prices and stuff at the end, and if we need more information about the products, because sometimes that happens. Only human. I will link down below to Earthlove box so you can check them out. I will also link to my full review where we'll go in depth and we'll talk a lot more about each of the products that are in this box. All right. So this is a card about one of the products in here. This is talks about oxybenzone, toxic to coral. Oh, interesting. So this tells you pretty much how chemical sunscreens, which I say a lot, are bad for not just your body, like in your system, but bad for the environment. So that's interesting. All right, first up we have High Bar Solid Shampoo Moisturize. Look, no plastic bottle. See, I don't know what's in here, and I haven't taken pictures yet, so I'm not going to open this up. Just a color-safe moisturizing shampoo that leaves your hair soft and silky with coconut oil and rice protein to hydrate and nourish. Goodbye plastic, hello High Bar. That's really cool. This is a Minneapolis brand. That's neat. Huh. I like that idea. That's really cool. I've never heard of that brand either. All right, then we've got a non-nylon bamboo toothbrush. This is from trulyecofriendly.com. It's not sealed, so I can open this baby up. Ooh, it's got the black bristles. I love these. I may have tried this brand before. These are I think they're compostable and stuff like that. I actually need a new toothbrush, so I will be using this baby. Is it soft? It's pretty soft, which I like. I don't like a one with too hard of bristles. So there's that. All right. Then we've got from All Good, who I really like them. This is a sunscreen butter with organic ingredients, very water resistant, up to 80 minutes, and SPF 50. So let's see. It's a white. It's probably gonna go to a butter. Yeah, it doesn't need too much of a cast either. So I rubbed a little in there. So that's cool. This would be great for your face, like the kids and stuff. Because it's just, when you put on lotion, they're too wiggly to get it all in. They have big white spots in all their little summer pictures at the beach and stuff. So that's probably a really good option. All right, next we have, what is this? Reduce, reuse, recycle, save our seas. This is some sort of, looks like a cap, maybe? But it has a cool seahorse, like a nautical, that navy blue with a seahorse there. I don't know what this is for. I'm sure it's for your hair or something, right? Am I crazy? Or covers to cover, I know. So I actually just read an article about this. Saran wrap and the stuff you used to cover your bowls, wonderfully, helpful, saves time. However, it ends up, where does it end up? You know where it ends up, in the ocean. Plastic, there's so much plastic. I use the beeswax. I've only ever used those, but I'm looking at this and this is a bowl cover. How stinking cool, because those beeswax things, you use them for maybe a couple months and they kind of start to they just break down. Then you can compost them, you can recycle them, whatever. But this you can just wash. Aha, I love that. I'm right. I hope I'm right. I'm convinced. All right, next up we have Sun and Swell Foods Clean Cookie Bites. This is oatmeal cacao chip. This is a Santa Barbara, California brand. Uncompostable, so you can compost the bag, which is super neat. I love that companies are doing that, because even if, by the way, even if it does end up, I'm guessing, I don't actually know this for sure, but I'm guessing something that's compostable, if it ends up in the ocean, it will disintegrate and it won't leave behind the bad chemicals that plastic would. You know what I'm saying? Because if it's going to go in the ground and break down like anything else that's organic, it's not as hazardous or whatnot, you know? So this only has just a few ingredients: dates, cashews, oats, cacao, and cinnamon, all of which are organic. That's cool. I'm excited to try these. Kind of sounds like that brand Emmy's Organic, you know? All right, next we have, my nose is like itchy. I feel like there's like a hair. Every time I get in front of the camera, I think about it. I'm like, what if there's a hair and they can see? What? Ah! All right, anyway. Next we have Warm Human Customize Your Spirit Wearable Aromatherapy. Oh, it's a solid fragrance. And finally, I get these a lot and I'm like, that's a really nice, but it's never in a scent that I'm like really excited for. So what is that? Lemongrass. And I don't know if they all had lemongrass. We shall find out. I just love these sorts of smells, like lemongrass, anything lemony, citrus, bright, safe for skin and hair. Hey, baby. All right. I say the word baby so much. My son's, he's 6. All right, baby, he says. Oh my gosh, can I just open this up? How does this work? Oh, I think it's, I don't know if I'm doing this right. I want to smell it. You're supposed to be able to slide it, I think. Oh, top note, lemongrass, happy, calm. Oh my gosh, well, I'm not opening this right now, I don't think. Actually, let's see. I know somebody's gonna be like, don't do that, it's just a letter opener. Ouch. Then I say ouch. Okay, so there it is. Got it. Got it. Oh, so beautiful. I love, oh, it's just magic. Love it. Makes me happy. Makes my heart happy. Can't help it. Can't help it. All right, I'm just gonna tuck that back in there. I'm excited about that item. Oh, I love this box so far. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. So let's move on. Next we have this little bag. It's a cool bag, right? Don't know what's in here yet. I haven't seen the thing that was a spoiler yet. Oh, it's kind of tied. All right, this is a ring. It's a wave ring. Go with the waves. Waves are inspiring not because they rise and fall, but because each time they fall, they never fail to rise again. Learn to move with the waves. They may not go in the direction you planned, but in the end, you are exactly where you need to be. How cool is that? I love it. So this is from Each Ring Helps Save Coral Reefs with the Coral Reef Alliance. This is an Earthlove. I don't know exactly who made this. It says Earthlove on it, so that's super cute. All right, next, this is the item. I'm so pumped for this. All right, so this is the Earth Harbor Glow Juice Refining Enzyme Mask. I'm really excited because number one, it just looks beautiful. It's like purple. All right, so this is a fast-acting AHA, BHA clarifying and cooling firming gel mask that gently exfoliates, soothes, and resurfaces skin with red seaweed, fruit enzymes, willow bark, and aloe leaf juice. Apply to clean skin, leave on 3 minutes, and then rinse. Beautiful. So this is 2 ounces, and I think it's like a full size, and I forget the retail value, but it was pretty pricey. So we'll look at the thing then and find out. And that's right, each of these boxes does come with a book. That's something to keep in mind. All right, next we have Titulia. I have a sticker on my finger. This is an organic tea soda, and this is in mint tea, hibiscus, lemonade. This is naturally caffeine free. I love, look at this packaging. So pretty. I love that. It's very like, reminds me of like the 90s almost. All right, we're down to, I think, oh no, there's more. All right. This is the Aether Beauty Solar Eclipse. It looks like a highlight, maybe? This metallic solar eclipse shadow is formulated with organic prickly pear oil, organic coconut oil, organic shea butter, and infused with topaz. Whoa, whoa, wee, whoa. All right, so here it kind of came off its little, it's a little triangular pan, which is super cute, by the way. So, ooh, that's, here, I'll do it right here so you guys can see better. Beautiful. See, for summer, perfect. I love that. It's like a perfect natural like glow. I think you could even use that as like a blush, to be honest. It's very, very pretty. And it has that like shimmery, I'm gonna see if I can stick back on there. Yeah, you're not gonna stay, are you? You little stinker. Anyway, I'm gonna keep moving on here. All right, our book right here is The Animal Lover's Guide to Changing the World. Practical advice and everyday actions for a more sustainable, humane, and compassionate planet. I actually have a friend who, actually she's a friend of my cousin's, but she is like just the biggest heart when it comes to animals, and I'm actually going to share this with her because I think she'd really like one of these, so maybe I'll read it and then pass it along. But like anything that has to do with animals, she's just all about it. You know, that's her purpose, her cause, you know, the things she's championing and whatnot. I'm excited for this. I think it's a really good book to have in your collection if you are interested in finding new ways to just give back and help. All right, final item down here. I don't know what it is. We are gonna find out. Is that what? I thought I heard something bouncing around. Okay, so this is from the Edgy Moose Designs, a British Columbia brand. I don't want to have makeup on and touch this on my hand. I'm gonna wipe it off right here. All right, let's see. Ooh, it's a tote bag. And it says, the ocean is calling. Listen to the song of the sea. How cute is that? We're not going to the beach again this summer. We already did that. But I'll have it for next summer. Oh my gosh. All right, so let's find out more about each of these items. All right, so the book of the season is The Animal Lover's Guide to Changing the World by Stephanie Feldstein. It's $16.99. The Whale Beach Tote by Gallant is $35. They collaborated with Gallant International to design a stylish, durable tote exclusively for Earthlove members. You will not find that tote anywhere else. Very important to make it clear. Made with 100% GOTS certified organic cotton and certified fair trade. With these large totes, they're ethical, they're sustainable, and fun for the beach, farmer's market, or wherever your summer takes you. The Moisturizing Shampoo bar is $13.95. There is a coupon code for subscribers only to get 10% off their purchase at High Bar. Organic Mint Tea Soda by Tulia is $2.50. The bonus gift for everyone who shared a pic, video, or review of Earthlove last season. Thank you. We've included a bonus gift in the box for you. So that is a thing. If you share a thing on social media and tag them, they will send an extra gift in your next box. The Oatmeal Cocoa Chip Clean Cookie Bites by Sun and Swell are $3.33. The Glow Juice Refining Enzyme Mask by Earth Harbor is $40. That's right. It's so expensive. It's like a high ticket item. I'm excited to try it out. I'm really excited. Like, super pumped. I'm probably going to use it as soon as I'm done with this video. Use code BLANK for 15% off your order with them. Now, there was a variation, I should say. Whoa, girl, it took me a little bit to figure out that word. So that's the 7th item. There was a 7A or 7B. So the first was a Save Our Seas medium bowl cover by the Edgy Moose Designs. That's a little card I found. That is a bowl cover. I was right. That came in the vegan box only. So they do have a vegan box, and then they have a vegan box, which is for people that are okay with bee products, I think is what it is. All right, so this is $8. The other variation was a SPF 50 plus water resistant zinc sunscreen butter all. Oh, I got both. Okay, well, all right. That's $9.99, so it's both variations in one. Summer Solstice Solar Eclipse Single Eyeshadow from Aether Beauty is an $18 product. That's amazing. the lemongrass wearable aromatherapy by Warm Human is $14.95. And then the exclusive Wave of Change ring is by Earthlove. So they designed that ring. Oh, I love it. And then 10% of every ring that's sold is going to go to the Coral Reef Alliance. Those are worth for $15. So 10% of that is $1.50. So every time someone buys one, $1.50 goes to that cool charity. So that is everything that I received in my Earthlove. I love this box. I think it's well worth the price. I think it's an amazing assortment of items. I think every season they kind of really bring it and just really, and I think too what I like about this box is that spoilers are usually like the best. Like, you know when you watch a movie or a show or something and you like the teaser or like the trailer or whatever always has like the funniest stuff, the most critical moment, those moments where all the emotion and whatever. That's how spoilers for subscription boxes usually work. But I really feel like I was excited about this, but there are items in this box that I definitely love more. You know what I mean? It's still an amazing, it's not like this is it and then everything else is, that's pretty good. This box was amazing. All right, I'm like going on now. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you next time. Toodaloo.